எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். I am very nervous, so yes, let's just start there. I want to start by saying how incredible this whole journey has been and how blessed I feel to have been able to play such an important character. I want to thank Varsha the most because she has given me the biggest opportunity I've ever received in my career so far. And she's given me the most beautiful character to be able to show you guys. I want to thank Varsha, who also saw the vision and cast me in this project. Without these two people, and Vetrimaran sir, without these three people, I wouldn't be standing here in front of you. So I'm so grateful that you saw me, saw potential in me, and gave me this wonderful opportunity. I'm really nervous. I'm actually shaking a little bit. So if I forget someone's name, I'm really sorry. You are in my heart and my thoughts, and I want to say thank you. About this character, she is such a powerful girl. She's so soft. She's so funny. She can be careless. She can be messy, but it makes her who she is. And when I was first told about this character, this film, I immediately saw myself as Ramya, and I think that is what helped me really bring her to life because I understood her. I saw who she is as a person, and I really understood her. And I really hope that when you watch this, you feel the same way, that you walk away from this feeling warmth and love in your heart, because that is what this movie is about. It's about love and relationships with your family, with your friends, and with yourself. I want to thank Anurag Kashyap sir and for having faith in this film and having faith in Varsha and me. I want to thank Amit Trivedi sir, who really brought the film to life, because without his music, I really don't know what we would be. This film is basically like a musical, and his music really brings it together. And he also gave me the opportunity to sing my first ever song in a film. So I'm really grateful to him and Varsha to give me that opportunity, because it's something that I've always dreamt of doing. I always dreamt of singing, and to sing for a film that I have acted in and led for the first time in my life, it's everything. And I wish my mom was here. My mother is a singer, Chitra Iyer, and she's also an actor, and she had the opportunity to watch the movie recently, and I know she would have been really excited to be here, so I want to give my mom a shout out. Without my family, I would not be the person I am today. Without my family's support and love, I would not be able to achieve the things that I've managed to achieve. I really want to thank all of you for coming here and for showing us your support. And I really hope that when you watch the film, you will enjoy it as much as I've enjoyed being a part of this process. I want to thank our DOPs, Jaggi for bringing my childhood to life, for Prince for bringing all of the messiness in Ramya's head to life, and for Preeta ma'am, who's not here, who really she brought it all together at the very end, and I really want to appreciate her for that. I want to thank Pavna, who has been not only the most amazing, talented makeup artist I've worked with, but also who became such a close friend of mine and really was my anchor through this whole project. Without her, I would not have survived a lot of days, because the process of acting is a very challenging and emotional process, and sometimes you just need your friends to stand by you. I really want to thank Shruti for bringing the character to life with her beautiful, beautiful costume work. I think she just really, really nailed it. I want to thank Vikram for tolerating me through these years and always having a smile on his face. I don't know how he does it. He never sleeps, but look at him. I want to thank Radha for her incredible editing. I don't think I have seen such good editing in a very long time. Honestly, when you're shooting a project, you don't know how it's going to turn out. You only have an idea. Maybe it's going to be like this, maybe it's going to be like that. But then when I watched it, I was blown away. I can't wait for you to watch it. It's edited so perfectly. Every frame is perfectly edited. Okay. I would like to thank Shanti Priya ma'am for honestly the way that she portrayed this character. It made me understand my mother better. And I think that's so important. And I think anyone who watches the movie is going to feel exactly that way. They're going to understand their mothers just a little better. And I can guarantee you're going to walk away from this movie and you're going to call your mom and you're going to tell her, I love you. That's for sure. I would really like to thank Ridu, who is the goofiest person alive, but somehow brings such a softness and innocence to the character of Nalan. I don't know how he did it because I feel like his personality IRL in real life is almost opposite to Nalan, as you witnessed just a few moments ago. Uh, Parvati ma'am, thank you so much. She is the cutest, I swear to God. We had so many laughs together. She's a very, small and unassuming personality, but then when you speak to her, she is such a big and vibrant personality. She was really wonderful to work with. Sharanya, thank you so much for. She was such a warm person, honestly, so friendly, so down to earth, and just so sweet. And when you're watching her perform in real life in person, you don't know what you're going to get. But then when you watch her on screen, my God, she commands the screen. I think Selvi is one of my favorite characters in this entire film. She has done such an incredible job. You should be really, really proud of yourself. I can't wait for you to watch the movie because you're going to be so surprised. I guarantee. I guarantee. I also want to thank TJ and Sashank who are not here. Unfortunately, they're down with the flu. I wish that they recover very soon. They were really incredible to work with as well. I think I was really, really blessed to have the most amazing people on this project to work with because as the first project that I've ever led, you can't ask for better, honestly. You can't ask for better. I've been very blessed and very, very lucky. As Varsha constantly reminds us how lucky she has been, I'm right there with you. I am so lucky to have gotten this opportunity. Thank you so much. I'm sure I'm missing a few names. Anyone to remind me of? No? Oh, I would love to thank the AD team. Thank you very much, guys, again for tolerating me and for for just surviving everything and doing it with a smile and doing it with so much grace. Pavitra, Pooja, Kailash, thank you so much, guys. You guys are awesome. Of course, I want to give a shout out to Ajuma as well and Shariha. Thank you so much, guys. Malvika, I see you right over there. Thank you. I really love you guys so much. I would not be here without you all. I'm not going to take up any more time because I know this has been a very long speech. Abdul sir, thank you so much. And Mishkin sir, thank you so much for your constant support. You have really, really shown up every single time and it has been noted by everyone and it is very, very appreciated. Thank you. Did I miss anyone on stage? No, right? All the singers who contributed their beautiful, beautiful voices and lyrics. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, I think I'm done. Thank you.